Hi guys. Welcome to another video from Little Too Simple. Teddy bears have been a beloved toy for over a century, and their popularity continues to grow. We're sure that many of you have played with a teddy bear at some point in your childhood. But have you ever wondered, where did teddy bears come from? How did they become so popular? And why does their popularity keep growing despite the launch of countless new toys every year? Most importantly, how popular are teddy bears in business terms? And how much revenue do teddy bear sales generate every year? Well, watch this video to find out. The teddy bear's origin story might not be as famous as some superhero origin stories, but it's equally fascinating. Teddy bears originated in 1902, when United States President Theodore Teddy Roosevelt went on a hunting trip in Mississippi. During the trip, Roosevelt refused to shoot a bear that had been tied up and offered to him as a trophy. This act of compassion was widely reported in the news, and a Brooklyn candy shop owner named Morris Mitchum was inspired by the story. He created a stuffed animal resembling the bear as a tribute to the president and called it the teddy bear, after Roosevelt's nickname. The toy became an instant sensation when major newspapers of the time covered the story. Even though teddy bears became an instant hit after the Morris Mitchum story was published, Mitchum himself was a simple candy shop owner. He neither had the means nor the intention to turn teddy bears into a mass-market product. Instead, it was a German toy manufacturer, the Steiff company, that took the idea global. In 1903, Richard Steiff, a designer at the company, created a jointed teddy bear that could move its arms and legs, a major innovation at the time. Its realistic design set it apart from other stuffed toys, and the Steiff bear quickly became a global phenomenon, setting the standard for the modern teddy bear. To date, Steiff has sold over 19 million teddy bears worldwide. But since the teddy bear was originally invented in the United States, it was only a matter of time before an American company took commercial interest in it. That company was the Ideal Novelty and Toy Company. The Ideal Novelty and Toy Company, an American toy manufacturer, played a significant role in the mass adoption of teddy bears in the US. In 1907, the company introduced its own version of the teddy bear called Teddy's Bear. The Ideal Bear was softer and more affordable than the Steiff bear, making it accessible to a much wider audience. The company also introduced new designs and variations, such as the Teddy Roosevelt bear, which featured the president's signature glasses. By the 1920s, the Ideal Toy Company was producing and selling over 50,000 teddy bears a week. After this, the commercial potential of teddy bears was validated. As with most successful toys, nearly every toy company began producing their own teddy bears, leading to their worldwide distribution in a very short period of time. Over the years, teddy bears have continued to evolve with changing tastes and preferences. They've been produced in a variety of colors, sizes, and materials, and decorated with different accessories and clothing. Personalization has also become a major trend. According to a survey by Build-A-Bear Workshop, 62% of customers personalize their teddy bears in some way, adding embroidered messages or custom outfits. This trend gave rise to the personalized gifts and keepsakes industry, with teddy bears often being used as sentimental gifts for weddings, birthdays, and anniversaries. Some of the most popular teddy bear characters include Care Bears, Paddington Bear, and Winnie the Pooh. According to most business experts, it's this constant evolution and reinvention that has helped teddy bears maintain, and even grow, in popularity more than 100 years after their creation. As per a Grand View research report, the global stuffed and plush toy market was valued at $7.98 billion in 2020 and is expected to grow at a 7.3% CAGR from 2021 to 2028. Teddy bears also inspired new toy trends, such as other animal-themed toys, and led to the creation of new industries like bear-making kits and bear collecting clubs. Some teddy bears are not just toys, they're priceless collectibles. One of the most expensive teddy bears ever sold was the Steiff Teddy Girl, which fetched $174,000 in 1994. Another, the Steiff Titanic Morning Bear, was sold for $184,000 in 1999. These bears are highly prized by collectors and enthusiasts around the world. One of the main reasons for the enduring popularity of teddy bears is the number of famous people who've owned them, and the charming stories attached to them. Such stories often revive public interest in teddy bears and add to their emotional and financial appeal. President Theodore Roosevelt, of course, inspired the teddy bear's name and was said to have owned one himself. Winston Churchill reportedly used a teddy bear to hide secret messages during wartime. Even Albert Einstein was known to travel with a teddy bear companion. Teddy bears have also appeared in literature. For instance, Christopher Robin Milne, the son of author A. A. Milne, had a teddy bear named Edward, which became the inspiration for Winnie the Pooh. Teddy bears have not only shaped the toy industry but also had a deep social impact. They are widely used in therapy for their comforting and calming qualities, especially for children and seniors. They've become symbols of comfort and support during crises, from natural disasters to wartime. Teddy bears have also played roles in charity campaigns, like the annual Teddy Bear Toss, where fans throw teddy bears onto ice rinks or fields, and the toys are collected and donated to children in need. While the teddy bear's initial fame can be credited to being named after a beloved president, its lasting popularity comes from something much deeper: emotional connection. People across generations have shared bonds with their teddy bears. This emotional attachment, reinforced by personalization trends, celebrity anecdotes, and therapeutic uses, has kept the teddy bear timeless. Even after more than 100 years, teddy bears continue to warm hearts, comfort souls, and drive a thriving global market. Thanks for watching. See you all again in the next video.